Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today on this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what I was telling you since my first video, that there is a pattern forming, okay, and this pattern is being created here. The first pattern is created in 2012 to 2020, okay. This is the particular pattern, okay. This pattern is forming a U pattern. After that, the next U pattern is forming in for this 2 years pattern, okay. And if you look at this particular pattern, this is an 8-month pattern, okay. And this 8-month pattern, what it shows, that after this particular trend, okay, there is a continuous fall, okay. All these trend, there is a continuous fall. After that, there is a continuous rise. If you look at this particular trend, now if you look at this continuous trend, there is a swing forming at this particular level. After that, there is a continuous fall and a high of around 2087 has formed. After that, there is a continuous fall, and now it is trading at $1947, okay. If you look at this particular trend, overall these U patterns are forming, and this is how gold is traveling, okay, and moving. Because of good volatility, we have seen that the price of gold, after crossing this particular zone, if you look at this particular zone, this level we have not seen since April of 2023, okay. Now it has come down this particular zone, so chances can be high that if this level goes below a level of 1937, we can see it can move further down. Before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are very high, okay. But if the price sustain above a level of around $1957, $1959, chances are very high, yes, it can, this particular support 1959 can give it a bounce back, and a probability of going further upside will be there. But it has gone below this particular level, now trading at 1949, so chances are high if this level didn't sustain, it can move further low, and a probability it can go towards its next support of $1938, okay. And if the price fall below that particular zone, then a probability is that we can see it can go towards level of 1913, okay. And before 1913, the next support coming at around $1926, and a probability is very high. Once the price fall below $1946, chances of touching 1938 will be there, and once started falling below that particular level, then chances of touching 1934 will be there, and from there we can see a level of 1922, okay. And once the price fall below 1922, then a probability that it can touch a level of around 1905. Keep that in mind. Once the price fall below 1922, chances are very high it can go towards its next support of $1909 to a level of 1905, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of $1892, okay. And once the price fell below that level, then we can see it can go further low, okay. And you have to understand a zone breakout if the price fall below this particular level, okay, because this level we have not seen since Jan of 2023, okay. Now see, I have already explained you that the market can move up or down, sharp fall and sharp down, only when there is a big news coming. Otherwise, how it moves, it goes up, hold for some time, then that is how it moves. And if it has to go down, it hold for some time, then how it is fall. Now suppose if the price form a swing at this particular level, what it can do, it form a swing, and then a probability can be high it can go towards its next resistance of $1959, and if the price move up that particular level, it can go towards a level of $1964. This $1964 is already a resistance which is already weak resistance, so chances can be high it can go further upside, and a probability is that it can go towards a level of around 1985. Again I repeat that the price, it is trading at around $1964. If the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around 19. After crossing a level of 1964, we can see a level of 1972, okay. And 1972 is a strong support, so we can see a bounce back can come, but 1964 will act as a strong support, so bounce back can go further upside. And once it sustain 1972, chances of going further high will be there, and a probability that it can cross a level of 1935. And yes, a probability is very high it can cross a level of 1935, and chances of touching $2003 is there. Okay, and now once the price sustain above $2003, then a probability of touching 2011 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $24. Okay, and if the price sustain this level, then yes, a probability of going further upside is there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.